Sediment, sediment, sediment. Sediment is material that settles at the bottom of a liquid. It can be natural, like sand in the river, or something you see in bottles, like pulp or minerals. Sediment forms when heavier particles drop down because they can't stay floating. Examples: there is sediment at the bottom of the bottle. The river left a thick layer of sediment on the bank. Don't shake the jar, the sediment will mix again. Scientists study ocean sediment to learn about Earth's history. Grateful for your time today. Catch you soon. Bye.